Assalamu alaikum, Huzoor.
Islam.
What advice would you give to a new Ahmadi for building a close relationship with God?
You see, first thing is you try to learn the words of the prayers, and especially Surah Fatiha. Try to learn it in Arabic and then the meaning of it. And while praying, you should also try to offer your 5 daily prayers, and if possible in congregation. Apart from that, you offer nafals, extra prayers, right? And pray to Allah Ta'ala that He give you the strength to be firm in your faith. And just seek Allah's help in this regard. So never ever leave any prayer. Make it a point that 5 daily prayers are obligatory and you have to offer them. And try to offer these prayers very fervently. And when you are bowing down, you are in sajda position, then you should cry and seek Allah's help. So then within months, you will see change in yourself. Right?
Yes. Jazakallah.
Okay, Allah Ta'ala bless you.